how to change name on TikTok before 7 days. To do this, first of all, open your TikTok application and go through your profile by hitting the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the three lines on the top right corner. Then go to the setting and privacy. From there, go through the report a problem. Here you'll see a lot of options. From here, select account and profile and then go through the editing profile. Now, since you want to change your name, go through the updating name and they will give some instruction. Hit on no and select need more help. Now in the description box, write you want to change your name and then click on the submit. This problem will be solved in next 24 hours. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.